What's all this business about gold block levels?
In this video, I'm going to show you that you can trade no matter where in the world you live because different markets move at different times. Now, it's key to understand that you only want to be trading when the trading session that's available to you has enough institutional sponsorship. Reason being is the more volume there is, the cleaner price action is, and the more likely it is to follow your algorithmic patterns. So you can use Edgeful to determine which asset you can trade based on your availability. So the report I'm going to show you today is a futures report. It's a volume report and it's called Session Volume by Weekday. So looking at the NASDAQ first, okay, you can see that Tokyo volume is represented by blue, London volume is represented by dark blue, and the light blue is New York volume. So for NASDAQ, using 3 years worth of data, you can very easily see that there's hardly any trading volume during Asia. There's a decent amount during London trading hours, but the bulk of the volume is in the New York session. Therefore, if you're trading NASDAQ, you only want to be trading the New York session. So what do you do if you live in London and you can't trade the New York session? Now, if you follow me on Twitter, you can probably see what I trade, and from my accent, you can probably work out where I live. This will show you why I trade the assets I do. So if you're a London trader, take a look at gold. You can see that the bulk of the volume for gold happens during the London session. Okay, this is why you'll see a number of my trades are gold. You can also trade silver. The bulk of the volume for silver is in the London session. You've probably seen I also trade copper. Okay, again, the bulk of the volume is in the London session. We do have some good activity in Asia also. Okay. If the metals aren't giving you a play today and you live in London, you can trade crude oil. See how high the volume is in London? It's very much comparable to New York. If there's no play on crude, you can have a look at natural gas. Again, decent volume in London compared to New York. And we also have ultra low sulfur diesel. Okay, decent amount during London, but it really is New York. Okay, so if you are a London trader, have a look at the metals, have a look at oil. What about if you can only trade Asia and you want to trade futures? Of course, you have the Nikkei yen futures. It's relatively constant between the 3 sessions. But if you have a look at the dollar Nikkei futures, the bulk of the volume is in Asia. You can use Edgeful to produce loads of statistics to either find your trading edge if you haven't become consistently profitable yet, or to refine your trading edge if you're already a professional trader and you want to increase your profitability. But there are different reports such as this which allow you to find opportunities that you may not have thought of before. If you would like free access to Edgeful, there's a link in the description to this video. And if you would like to learn my time and price golden bullet strategy, which I use for Forex, index futures, the metals, oil, and crypto, there's a link in the description below.